I'll be showing you guys how to make a normal paper airplane. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take an A4 sheet of paper, and first, step one, we're going to fold this lengthwise. Take this corner, you fold it like this. You can take it from here or here. I recommend this side, your right side, and we're going to take this corner and we are going to fold it at a right angle. And then so you're going to get something like this. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. You're gonna get something like this. When you unfold it, you will get something like this. So the paper airplane is starting to take some form. So now we're gonna take this edge which you just folded. Now we're gonna take this and we're going to join this here, right here, as you can see my finger. So we have something like this, and then now as usual we are going to make a tight crease and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now you're gonna have something like this, and again we will do same process again. Okay then, so this side done, and now we will be doing this side, no problemo. So you're gonna have something like this. Okay, something like this. Now you're gonna take the folded edges, take this up, only this part, and you're gonna take the same side on the parallel, and you're gonna remove this up just like so, and here you have your paper airplane. Now it's important to know, here you have this area, so you can bring this together, or if you don't want it to fall apart or something, you can just tape it or glue it, that's fine. I don't think I'll be doing so. Also, you can also take some scissors and near the middle, in this area, you can make a small 1 or 2 centimeter cut, like so, on both sides. So here and here, that's it. So essentially what you have now, you have some flaps, so you can